Hello everyone, this is Adrian Howard, Weather Rampage, and I am updating you for the potential severe weather threat on Tuesday coming up for the Southern Plains and Central Plains states. And it is going to be, looks like it's going to be a significant severe weather event, one of the most significant severe weather events of the season. Now, as we head into, it would be Tuesday, April 26, 2016. Now, I want to show you this water vapor imagery because I want to show you this big storm system that will be moving into the area. Now, as you can see here it is, digging out into California. We'll be moving into the southern and central plain states, and it is going, looks like it's going to be a big storm system. It is a huge one. You can see this big spin right here, and it is going to be ejected out into the plains. And if you live anywhere from northern Texas to Oklahoma to central Kansas up into Nebraska and parts of Missouri, watch out for this storm system because it looks like it's going to be a robust storm system. I'm talking about large damaging hail, damaging winds, and potential tornadoes. Now, before I get into that, I want to show you, here is this where I expect severe storms to be and the potential for tornadic storms. Now, the yellow shaded area is the slight risk for severe storms area. The orange area is the elevated risk for severe storms area. The red area is the moderate tornado risk, and the purple area is the strong tornado risk. As you see here, I have central Oklahoma and southern Oklahoma and western and northern Texas, north central Texas, and southern Kansas and eastern parts of Kansas. And in that area, I have that potential for severe thunderstorms, and this is where I expect the highest potential for tornadoes to be. Now, a dry line is going to be robust. Also, it's going to be sharp, going to be moving into western Oklahoma, and that storm system is going to be negatively tilted. And because of it being so negatively tilted and changing wind directions with increasing height, and also a lot of moisture and instability with the storm system at that time of the day, which should be around 4 p.m. on Tuesday, that's going to give that potential for severe storms. And I'm talking about supercell storms. So that is going to be happening here in the southern plains states and central plains states. Now, to talk about it a little bit more, as I hone in and zoom into the area, threats from severe storms: moderate tornado risk in red and strong tornado risk in purple. Elevated severe storm risk in orange, severe storm risk in yellow, and low severe storms risk in green. Large damaging hail from baseball to softball size, destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, a few strong tornadoes possible, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning, which, like I said before, this area here in the center, the purples and reds and oranges is where the greatest risk for severe storms will be from these storms. Now, outside of the red area and the purple area could also still see some tornadoes as well and some severe storms as well. So don't rule that out. It's just that I believe the greatest potential for severe storms will be here in the center of Oklahoma and also the center of Kansas and North Texas as well. So now for Oklahoma, threats from severe storms: big supercell storms, moderate in red to strong in purple tornado risk, large destructive hail from baseball to softball size, destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning will accompany these storms. So I do believe that Oklahoma will be in that risk. And I talked about Oklahoma a little bit, but if you live in Oklahoma City, as you can see, I have in purple Moore, Norman, Ardmore, Ponca City. I believe this is where the greatest risk for tornadoes will be, and also El Reno, Chickasha, probably Lawton, maybe Lawton, Enid, Ada, and could be maybe Tulsa as well, kind of on the cusp of that tornado potential. But if you live anywhere outside of this, in McAllister, Durant, Idabel, Clinton, Weatherford, Woodward, if you live in Anadarko, those areas, Altus, be mindful of these severe storms. Muskogee, Bowley, be mindful of these storms as they move through the area, and do not rule out any tornadoes because that is still possible. But I believe this area will be the greatest threat area. Now, I will be keeping you updated on these severe storm risk, and I will keep you updated on Facebook as well. Have a plan in place, have a family plan in place, and also remain weather aware today and this severe weather season. I will keep you updated, everyone. Take care.